1111 Be Present Activation. For connecting with your higher self through sacred geometry, it's a gentle yet powerful journey into your embodiment. So find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, and you can either be seated, standing, or laying down. Just honour what your body needs today. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly, and close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. So on the inhale, count for 4. And on the exhale, count for 6. Repeat this 2 more times, and with each exhale, see in your mind's eye any tension releasing, any noise from the external world. Know you are safe, you are held, and you are exactly where you need to be. Whatever turmoil you may feel surround you, know this, it is not within you. It moves around you, yet your centre is still sovereign and eternal. Today on this powerful 1111 gateway, you are being invited to be present with yourself in a way perhaps you've never been before. Simply to be and listen to yourself. Your higher self has been waiting for this moment of pure presence with you. So we're going to begin at your root. Visualize at the base of your spine 2 interlocking circles, the beautiful Vesica Pisces, overlapping, creating that sacred almond shape of divine creation. See it glowing with deep ruby red light. This is your foundation, your connection to earth, your right to be here. Breathe into it, feel it pulse, feel it stabilize. Whisper, I am rooted in my truth. Now we move to your sacral, just below your navel. Another Vesica Pisces forms, glowing with warm orange light. This is your creative power, your pleasure, your divine flow. Feel the sacred geometry activating, spinning gently. Breathe into it. Feel your creative life force awakening. Whisper, I allow my energy to flow freely. Next we go to the solar plexus. This is your core, your power center. So we see a golden Vesica Pisces, blazing with confidence and clarity. This is your inner sun, your will, your sovereign self. No apologies needed here, just pure radiant power. Breathe into it. Feel yourself standing tall, brighter. And whisper, I embody my power with grace. Now we open your heart and merge with the Merkaba. So at your heart center, something extraordinary happens. The Vesica Pisces at your heart glows with the most beautiful emerald and rose light. The space where your divine masculine and feminine meet. They merge and create your sacred union. As you breathe into your heart, see the Vesica Pisces begin to rotate and expand. It spins, creating a 3-dimensional form. Your Merkaba, your light body vehicle, your chariot of ascension. The tetrahedrons, one pointing down, one pointing upwards, masculine and feminine, spinning in opposite directions around your heart. They merge, they balance, they activate. Feel your heart opening wider than it ever has done before. Feel your higher self descending down into your crown, in through your body, into this space in your heart, merging fully into your physical form. You are becoming one with all aspects of yourself today. Breathe here, stay here. This is home. Whisper, I am whole, I am unified, I am love. Now we awaken your throat. So see a sky blue Vesica Pisces activating. This is your truth, your voice, your authentic expression. Today, especially with Mercury retrograde, your words create creation codes. So speak only what is real and true for you. Breathe into it. Feel your voice, finding its frequency. Whisper, I speak my truth with sovereign clarity. Now we illuminate your third eye. Between your brows, there is an indigo Vesica Pisces, so the 2 interlocking circles overlapping. This opens like a cosmic doorway. Your intuition, your inner vision, your connection to all that is. You see beyond the veil. You perceive truth. Breathe into it. Feel your awareness expanding infinitely. and whisper, I see, I trust what I know. Then we move to your crown. At the top of your head, a violet and white Vesica Pisces connects you to Source, to the cosmos, to the unified field. You are never separate. You are always held in divine love. Breathe into it. Feel the download of higher frequencies. Whisper, I am connected to all that is. Now see all 7 of your Vesica Pisces glowing simultaneously, each one pulsating with its unique frequency. See them connecting by a column of brilliant white light running through the centre of your body. For those that wish, your Kundalini snake rises too. Your Merkaba at your heart continues to spin, growing larger, creating a field of light around your entire body. Golden white light. You are protected, you are activated, you are embodied. Take a moment to see and feel how it feels for you. No matter what chaos may exist in the external world around you, know you are centered, sovereign, and divinely aligned. Now the declaration, so place both hands over your heart. Feel the warmth, the power, the love emanating from within you. And when you're ready, speak these words aloud. I am present. I am here, now, fully embodied. I welcome all parts of myself home. My higher self and I are one. I am activated, aligned, and ready. I choose to show up for my life. I choose to win. I am free. And so it is. I will put these words in the caption. So take 3 more deep breaths. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. You have just activated every quantum chakra with this sacred geometry. You have merged your Merkaba at your heart. You've called in your higher self fully into your physical form. This is embodiment. Carry this frequency with you throughout your day, your week, your year. Return to your heart, to your Merkaba, to your breath whenever you are in need to remember who you truly are. The 1111 gateway is open. You are ready. Namaste. For deeper activation support, personal sessions are available online and remotely. And the Merkis course is your quantum chakra activation every single day. It's online and it's available for you to purchase now and to start today. It's 50% off until midnight. The universe brought you here for a reason. I love you. Give yourself a hug. Let's trust in this process. This is your day of profound change. Namaste.